Can you guess which place is this? Guess where did I took this video from? Can someone guess? If you know this place, please comment. Put a comment and let me know where did I shoot this video from. I will be so grateful if there's someone who know where I shoot this video from. And these trees are so beautiful. They're so beautiful, and I don't want to lie. I was just sitting on the chair enjoying the shade of these trees, and it was so hot, but I didn't feel any heat because of these trees. Thank you, City Council, again for keeping our city clean. Thank you, City Council. This place, you can see that it's well maintained. They are trying, guys. They are trying their very best to keep this place clean. Even if you went there during the week, or even if it's a weekend, or if it's a holiday, this place is always clean. Thank you, City of Harare. Thank you so much. We appreciate your work. As for me, I really appreciate your work, City Council. Thank you once again. Thank you for watching my videos.